Now come to exercise 2.2. Question number 1. Which of the drawing A to D show first part 2 into 1 upon 5? It is D part. So see the solution. First part, it is D. D part shows 2 into 1 upon 5. Now come to second part. Second part is 2 into 1 upon 2. Your answer is B part. Here, this square is divided into two parts and one part is shaded. If you see the part, it can be written as 1 upon 2 and here also 1 upon 2. It means 1 upon 2 is multiplied by 1 upon 2, that is 2 times. This can be written as 2 into 1 upon 2. Then third part, it is 3 into 2 upon 3. The see A part, the whole is divided into 3 parts and 2 part is shaded. In fraction we can write it as 2 upon 3. Here it is again 2 upon 3, 2 upon 3. It is multiplied 3 times. It can be written as 3 into 2 upon 3. The answer of third part is A. Then fourth part, it is 3 into 1 upon 4. Its answer is C part, because this square is divided into 4 parts and one part is shaded. If you write in fraction, this can be written as 1 upon 4. Here again it is 1 upon 4. Again here it is 1 upon 4 and it is multiplied 3 times. This can be written as 3 into 1 upon 4. Your answer is C part. Now come to question number 2. Here some figures A to C are given below. Tell which of them shows first part 3 into 1 upon 5 equal to 3 upon 5. Say the solution. First part, here see the fraction, it is 1 upon 5. See the figure in which it is divided into 5 equal parts, the C part. In C part, the square is divided into 5 equal parts and one part is shaded. If you write in fraction, it can be written as 1 upon 5. This can be written as 1 upon 5, 1 upon 5 and 1 upon 5. And if you multiply it, you will get 3 upon 5. Your answer for first part is C. Now second part, it is 2 into 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 means whole is divided into 3 parts. You see A part, this is a circle and circle is divided into 3 parts and one part is shaded. It means in fraction it can be written as 1 upon 3. And here 2 circles are there. It means 1 upon 3 into 1 upon 3, that is 2 times it is multiplied. You will get 2 upon 3. Your answer for second is A part. Now come to third part. It is 3 into 3 upon 4 equal to 2 1 upon 4. Here 3 upon 4. It means whole is divided into 4 parts and 3 part is shaded. The say B part, here a triangle. It is divided into 4 equal parts and 3 part is shaded. In fraction we can write it as 3 upon 4. And there are 3 triangles, that is it is multiplied 3 times. he will get 2 1 upon 4. The answer for third part is B part. Now come to question number 3. Multiply and reduce to lowest form and convert it into a mixed fraction. Now say the solution. First part, it is 7 into 3 upon 5. You have to multiply 7 in the numerator. This can be written as 7 into 3 upon 5. It is 7 3 ja 21 upon 5. Convert it into mixed fraction. You will get 4 1 upon 5. This is your answer. Now come to second part. It is 4 into 1 upon 3. Again multiply 4 into 1. That is 4 into 1 upon 3. If you multiply 4 into 1, you will get 4 upon 3. Convert it into mixed fraction. You will get 1 1 upon 3. This is your answer. Now come to third part. It is 2 into 6 upon 7. Here multiply 2 into 6, that is numerator by numerator. 2 into 6 upon 7. 2 6 ja 12 upon 7. Convert it into mixed fraction equal to 1 5 upon 7. This is your answer. Come to fourth part. It is 5 into 2 upon 9. This can be written as 5 into 2 upon 9. 5 into 2, it is 10 upon 9. Convert into mixed fraction. This can be written as 1 1 upon 9. Now fifth part. It is 2 upon 3 into 4. This can be written as 2 into 4 upon 3. 2 4 ja 8 upon 3. Convert into mixed fraction. It is 2 2 upon 3. This is your answer. Now come to sixth part. It is 5 upon 2 into 6. Here you can simplify here by cancelling 6 by 2 or simply multiply it. It will be 5 into 6 upon 2 equal to 5 6 ja 30 upon 2. Cancel this. 2 1 ja 15. You will get 15, or this can be also done like this. 5 upon 2 into 6. Here you can cancel 2 by 2 and 6. 2 1 ja 2 3 ja 6. Multiply 5 into 3, 15. So both ways this is correct. Now come to seventh part. It is 11 into 4 upon 7. This is this can be written as 11 into 4 upon 7. 11 4 ya 44 upon 7. Right into mixed fraction. It can be written as 6 2 upon 7. This is your answer. Now come to eighth part. It is 20 into 4 upon 5. Here you can cancel 20 and 5 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja 20. Here multiply 4 into 4. You will get 16. This is your answer. Now come to ninth part. It is 13 into 1 upon 3. This can be written as 13 into 1 upon 3. 13 1 ja 13 upon 3. Convert it into mixed fraction. It can be written as 4 1 upon 3. This is your answer. Now come to 10th part. It is 15 into 3 upon 5. Here you can cancel 15 and 5 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja 15. This can be written as 3 into 3. 3 3 ja 9. This is your answer. Now come to question number 4. Said first part 1 upon 2 of the circle in box A. Here how many circles are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. How many circles you will said? It is 1 upon 2 into 12. That is, you can cancel 2 1 ja 2 6 ja. That is 6. He has said 6 circles. This will be half of the circles. Now second part 2 upon 3 of the triangles in box B. Here how many triangles are there? The 3 3 6 3 9. You have to set 2 upon 3 of 9. That is into 3. Cancel it by 3. 3 1 ja 3 3 ja 9. That is, you have to set 6 triangles. Now C part. That is third part. 3 upon 5 of the squares in box C. Here how many squares are there? 1 2 3 4 5. 5 3 ja 15. Here you have to set 3 upon 5 into 15. Simplify this. 5 1 ja 5 3 ja That is 3 into 3, 9. It means you have to set 9 squares. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this will become 2 upon 3.